it was a big consciousness shift. This consciousness shift was predicted way before the Egyptians was even concepted. It was written in the pyramids. The pyramids is also a numerology chart. It's a calendar, and it has an end date of the same date as the Mayan calendar. It's a whole bunch of these dates that ended on December 31st, 2011 or whatever, the beginning of 2012. Now, all of this is important because everybody thought it was the end of the world or end of a new era, but it wasn't that. What it was something was coming from the Milky Way, and it was spreading throughout the whole universe. And its date to reach the Earth was that date. Now, when that happened, all of a sudden, you start seeing people waking up. I mean, you look at all the other countries around, you saw that it was a lot of protests going on, a lot of riots, a lot of people overthrowing the government. Gaddafi got kicked out and killed. You see, everybody's consciousness just started waking up on their own. Nobody didn't have nothing to do with that. So this now, it's behind the government. The government knew about this, that was going to happen. They was prepared for this, because what we don't know is that this is deeper. I'm going to take y'all slowly into our cosmic history, because you have to know our cosmic history. I just took you back 1,000 years. I'm going to take y'all back to Egypt, but I'm going to take you before Egypt. And we're going to kill the misnomer about this Atlantis thing in 3 words. I'm going to just tell y'all like this. If this Atlantis thing is so true, because I was told that Atlantis is a code name for Egypt, right? And when Egypt fell, that was what it meant. And the reason why all these people is looking like in the Caribbean and around Cuba and saying these places, Atlantis is here, and they find in the pyramids, and they find in all these structures under the water around the area they say Atlantis is. If you look everywhere on the earth under the water, is pyramids, it's structures. Right. And so you're going to call the whole earth Atlantis, huh? No, right. It was never no Atlantis. All it is, it was one time when there was no water in them places, and that was sea land, and it was actually structures there, civilization there, and that's how things was. So, but the Atlantis and the Golden Age and all this stuff, this is when you got a certain group of people trying to manipulate the mind of a group of people, so you put a ruling power. So if that was the ruling power and one person survived and he carried on the line, that means they're the ruling power still today. You understand how the psychology of that goes? But no, there's no such thing as that. You can't equate one area that's on the bottom of the sea when the whole bottom of the earth is full with structures as the homeland and the big epitome of everything. And everybody needs to go look and research that the highest mountain, Mount Everest, at the top of Mount Everest, there's seashells in Mount Everest. It's actually shark still fossils embedded in it and all types of different fishes. So at the top of that highest mountain on the earth is actually seashells and all that stuff. It tells you that everything was one time before that. Everything. It's nothing excluded. And the government know that, the rich know that, but they try to run all these little psychology game on us so that we could be having somebody superior and somebody inferior. That's what this is all about for them, so that they could use our mind.